The Meghalaya government has ordered a judicial inquiry into the dynamite blast at an illegal coal mine in Thangsko, East Jaintia Hills, which left almost 30 workers dead and several others injured. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said the inquiry will be conducted under the Commission of Inquiry Act, with a chairman to be appointed soon. He stated that while illegal mining is acted upon as per law, the remote location of the site made monitoring difficult and assured stricter action to curb such activities. 2 mine owners have been arrested so far, and efforts are underway to apprehend others involved.
Has taken a decision that we will constitute the Judicial Inquiry Commission as far as this incident that has happened recently, and ultimately we will hand over everything to them. And once the chairman is appointed, I'm very sure they will carry out the investigation or whatever accordingly. See, right now we have already gone all out to make sure that those illegal mining activities that what has happened or which is happening till today, we have spent all out of our time to close it down all. We have already directed the district administration to go all out and make sure that all those illegal activities be immediately stopped. That is number one. Then number two, again, yes, today, within 10 days time, again, we will file our affidavit to the Honorable High Court. And I think right now I will not tell you much because this issue is also lying with the Honorable High Court. So let the Honorable High Court also take whatever necessary steps from their side. See, whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen it, the record. We have tried our best. But now, again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you, right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop. No, right now, I think right now we are, it's still manageable for the manpower. And very soon, you know well that we are also going to fill up those vacancies that we have, about 3,000 posts in police department. So I'm very sure once this issue is done, we will at least manageable to handle things. This is a political issue. So anything you can demand. Sometimes you can demand that Preston also should resign. So that is there. But let me tell you one thing, we take the whole responsibility to make sure that these illegalities stop immediately. The operation is still on, and right now no recovery of death or something. But still, of course, we have asked the concerned personnel to still see if there is any more trap or any more dead bodies, so that they are on the ground. We are yet to, right now we have already arrested 2, and now we are, see, natry nganya bangin bataylon kita baru kamlong naman ta ki police jong ikilong on the job ban find out na bar lengba jong kini ki bala sakem ru kinang ya find out kumno dot kanu ki ek bin bol nang tamano manusu ya kata ngan mlaban batay ya menta te ailat yang i nakaliang police department ba kin find out ya ki jiksi sha bor ko kanu ki don ki to ki miners lain ki no ki ba involved by illegal mining.